Hello everyone, take a little branch with leaves on it, add a circular shape on a sheet of paper, stick leaves all around it, add a yellow center to it to make it look all the more better. You may also draw a butterfly out of this, add flowers all around. Next, take multiple leaves as such, stick one on top of the other, add this in layers, put one a little bit in front of the other. On one end of it, add a circular shape and then add eyes and a cute little smile to it. Don't forget to draw on the antenna, and then to each of these leaves, add on little legs and little thorns as well. At the bottom, add a lot of glue, spread it out and then stick on crushed leaves to it. Take a leaf and then cut off the edges of it and then draw two ferocious looking foxes. Then, using some more leaves, make a hood and then draw the face of a girl. Draw the rest of the body as well, and for the base, stick leaves to make the ground. It should look like this. Take multiple leaves, start off by sticking the leaves on a sheet of paper. Take a differently colored leaf and then use it as the top. You may also use a marker to do so. Now make them do different poses as such using your marker. Draw them in different poses. We have chosen different colors for each of them as well. Take a paper and then draw what looks like the bark of a tree. Add glue to the top and then stick on multiple little flowers as such. Then take some leaves, cut it up into pieces, make the hood of a little girl and then draw the face as well. Add the eyes and then make her hold a leaf as well. Take multiple leaves, add tape on one of the ends. Then take a little wooden twig and then roll the leaf along it. Add multiple layers to it as such. This is what it should look like. It should begin to look like a rose. Once you are done with this, tie a thread to the bottom of it and then there you have it. Make multiple of these and join it together. Take a leaf and then make sure that the bottom is curved. Then stick tape all around as such and then stick on a little girl. Add a little costume to her as well. At the bottom, stick leaves as such. Add multiple layers again in its almost triangular shape and then make her a dress using leaves as such. Add a little flower to her at the top. You may also add flowers all around to make it look all the more aesthetic. Now take a leaf, curve one edge of it, add paper underneath it to make it look like the hair of a girl. Stick it on a sheet of paper. Add tape to this girl as well and then make a little bodysuit for her. Make a triangular shape out of your tape and then stick leaves all around. You are making her a dress. Stick a little flower at the end and then add the witch's stick to it. There you have it. Thank you for watching.